What are the pros and cons of Microsoft operating systems? Microsoft operating systems, especially the Windows line, are found in a majority of computers and help users navigate the internet, organize data and entertain themselves. This system provides many positive attributes to users, like heightened security measures, high performance, easily accessible help files and a customizable layout. Microsoft systems are not perfect, though, and have many negative attributes stemming from compatibility, running size and viral exposure. Microsoft operating systems are highly coveted for the organization they provide. With thousands of files, hundreds of programs and untold other pieces of data, the average computer can be a mess of information. One of the biggest pros of Microsoft's Windows platform is its ability to automatically organize all of these elements into a searchable pattern. Programs are organized neatly, files are held in folders and there are many shortcuts to quickly get to the most used bits of data on a computer. This entire package is smartly designed so even computer novices will feel comfortable clicking around. There are many other positive aspects associated with Microsoft operating systems. Windows Vista, for example, boasts many new operating system security developments that allow the system to constantly update and guard against new viral attacks. Microsoft also boasts high-performance standards that keep programs moving quickly to avoid lag time. One of the biggest benefits of Microsoft systems is the help menu that lays out any question a user might have in an easily understood format. As a result of these many pros, Microsoft has enjoyed great worldwide success, but the system is not without its drawbacks. Perhaps the biggest issue threatening all Microsoft operating systems is security. The company must go to great lengths to protect users from viruses, Trojan horses and worms, because the operating system is so vulnerable. Microsoft programs are routinely the targets of hackers and online predators, exposing users to serious online threats. Beyond security concerns, Microsoft operating systems have other cons, like running size. In order to quickly and efficiently handle all the programs and files, this operating system needs a computer with a large memory and a lot of speed, otherwise the programs will move slowly. Compatibility is another common complaint because some versions of Windows don't cooperate with others, making transferring data or working with network computers a hassle.